This my baby. Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming today's video. It's a little bit nostalgic because I haven't done one of these in like 3 years, which is absolutely insane. So we're gonna have like old YouTube vibes today, but I'm gonna be doing a what's in my purse video and I am beyond excited. So before we get started, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know how you're liking this video. Also be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let's have a conversation in the comments. Leave me video requests. It also helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already and have my post notifications turned on, please be sure to do so. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. It is such a fun time around here and I would absolutely love it if you stuck around. But yeah, let's get started. So my bag is from a brand called Teddy Blake, and if you guys have watched my old what's in my purse videos, if you're that much of an OG, I've been using Teddy Blake bags for a very long time and I absolutely love them to death. So first of all, you guys saw my bag already, but it came in this beautiful box with a dust bag and I just love it so much. This my baby and ain't nobody finna touch her.
This my baby and ain't nobody finna touch her.
My bag is called the Bella 12-inch Croco. I love it so much. And fun fact, I haven't been carrying an everyday purse for a while. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but since I moved to LA, I've literally just been carrying like a wristlet wallet on a day-to-day basis. And that's mainly because all the bags that I have, or that I took to LA at least, are huge and they're just not practical to just carry around all day every day. So I made sure that I picked up a little cute bag. I mean, this isn't super little, but this is like the perfect size in my opinion. It just holds everything you might possibly need and it's not a hassle to carry around. I will leave a link to my bag down below and also Teddy Blake and any sales that they have. They have sales sometimes going up to 70% off. They are premium bags that are handcrafted in Italy. They are such high quality and I'm never disappointed by one of their bags and they've lasted me so long. The one that I do have in LA is from them as well and I've just been using it for years. But yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna get into what is in the bag. So first off, you can unclip the sides so you can have it more boxy. And by the way, as you can see, it has this beautiful red interior, but I like to clip it especially when I'm going about my day, just to make it harder to like get into and just so it feels more compact. So yeah, it has the little logo, I don't know if you could see, in gold right here. Yeah, what is in my bag? So this bag is super cool in the way they designed it. It's like a big compartment in the middle and I did get the red interior, and then it has 2 zipper compartments on each side. So I guess we'll start with the zippered compartments. So on the back zipper, I have my little mini tripod. So this is what I use to vlog with when I am out. Unfortunately, not recently, but this is what helps me carry it when I'm walking around. And by the way, I don't know if you could see my nails up close, but sorry if they look like shit. I tried to do the crackle nail polish and it only cracked on like 2 nails, so the rest of the nails just look sad, but whatever. And then normally in this pocket as well, I would have the camera that I'm filming on right now in there, and I have like another bag for it so that it's like safe, and just any other camera equipment. I even have a light that I'm using right now to film, and sometimes my extra ass, depending where I'm going. Let me just take a video on my phone. So this is the little light. It has been a lifesaver. So if I know I'm going to be taking pictures at night, I don't know if I just want to be extra or if I know I'm going to stay over somewhere, I should probably do a video like this on my sleepover bag. Let me know if you guys would be interested. I think that would be super cute. Or I guess like a travel bag, same thing. But that probably wouldn't fit in this pocket, or it might. Guys, when I have my big purses, I put like 2 pairs of shoes. Like, I'm extra, okay? So yeah, that compartment is dedicated to my camera. And then also in here right now, I probably wouldn't do this when I have the camera in here because it would be a little too packed. I have my phone and then just a charger that I like to bring with me everywhere, obviously my phone. And we're gonna do this front compartment now. So in here I just keep things that I don't want to fall out mainly. So we just have like a ton of random stuff that we're just gonna go through. So first off, I have makeup wipes for whatever reason, but I've also found them handy to use like to wipe down surfaces and stuff like that if necessary. I have some gum. I have a pen and a pencil. You'd be surprised how much this comes in handy. I always carry, of course, there's like a ton of lip products in here. Like right now I'm wearing Max Velvet Teddy, but I also carry lip liner with me because I overline my lips hella, to be honest, and then when I'm eating like greasy stuff, the lipstick comes off, and then normally the lip liner stays, but just a touch up, you know. Got some lip gloss, lip options, okay, and then I have been loving these. Well, I especially love them when I would be out and about, even when I have no makeup on. These are the NARS Afterglow lip balms, and they just leave the prettiest sheen. They have so many different colors. I wish I could try one on for you guys, but they're bomb. Then we have, of course, some hand sanitizer, some lash glue. This is just an extra one. I've never actually used this. It's just from Lash Couture, just a random strip adhesive. You never know, and it comes in handy because a lot of times friends need it. Also, I have this random Wet n Wild's lip scrub. You never know. So yeah, that's just random stuff that I have in there. And then on the inside, so first off, I have my wallet along with my keys. So this is my wallet. It is from Michael Kors, and I got it at an outlet on the way home from Vegas. I don't remember the name of it, but I got this for an amazing deal. So I think it was originally 200 something, but I got it for like $40. Like, are you kidding me? It was like a huge sale. Yeah, just got basic wallet stuff in here. I have my passport. I always have my passport on me because I haven't been able to renew my license ever since turning 21, and it expired on my 21st birthday. So yeah, now the DMVs are closed, so I can't go to the New York one, and I'm sure when I'm back in LA I can't go to the California one. So I would do an online renewal, which is what I've been trying to do, but I need to go to an eye doctor because I go once every 2 years, but apparently I need a paper or a doctor verification of my prescription recently, because normally when you go to the DMV you do like an eye test. So unfortunately I have to do that really soon so I could do it online at least. Also on the bottom I have the strap to put this around my body. This will definitely come in handy when I start going out more often. And then I have this little compartment. So my mom gave this to me. It's like kind of random, but it's really helpful, especially because it won't get the red suede dirty at all. And it's kind of just like you dump a bunch of stuff. So fun fact, I don't carry a lot of makeup with me. Like, I don't have an extra makeup bag with powder, concealer. I've just never done that. I don't know why. Like, literally I probably should, but I just have never done it, and it's just a habit. I mean, the only thing I take is lipstick pretty much, but for some reason a lot of times I'll keep like a fluffy brush because I feel like just a brush alone can really help like blend your makeup or keep it in place. And then sometimes I keep like a little eye brush too if I just want to like blend my shadow a little bit more. You know, sometimes you step out and you're like, oh shit, that spot's not blended how I thought it was. Also sometimes, which I don't have right now, I'll throw like setting spray in here. I have a lot in my car actually. So when I'm back in LA, if you want like a car compartment tour, I feel like that could be helpful because I keep deodorant, brush, makeup setting spray. So usually I'm always in the car when I'm on the go. So I have my purse, but I normally have my car super close. But anyway, then we have some sunnies. So these are just from Sunglass Spot that I got recently. They are so cute. Look at these. Look how cute they are. I love them. We have these. Also, just an essential when you're not wearing makeup. And you know, if you just don't feel your best, just throw on some big sunnies. Then, okay, so I literally have one of these in my wallet. But just in case, for whatever reason, I have these Tweezerman tweezers. Because, girl, they're not for plucking anything. They're literally, when I have my big long nails, to grab my credit card out of things. Essential. So my long nailed girls, get you one of these. Also, this thing has like a lot of other little stretchy components if you want. Then I have like a little emergency kit in here. I feel like this is essential for any purse. So basically in here I have like a little mini body cream, Aquaphor, so you could use it like lips, anything. Chapstick, guys, fun fact, but if I'm out and I don't have chapstick, I will literally like find somewhere and go buy one. Like, it's really bad. I cannot deal with the feeling of chapped lips. Like, I'll go crazy. I also have like a panty liner here, and I'll usually keep tampons. This is like another little hand sanitizer. I have like pens. Oh, here you go. It's like a little eye brush, nail filer, little mirror, and yeah, just the emergency kit. Sometimes I also keep like sandals in my purse, if I'm being honest. Flats, because I wear heels, and then when I'm tired I put the flats on. Or I'll have the little slipper flats, the little foldable flats. So yeah, but yeah, it kind of depends on the day, but these are basically the essentials. Thank you so much to Teddy Blake for this bag. I love it so much. But yeah, sometimes I'll put like a little Ziploc bag where I could put like earrings or things so that they don't get jumbled all around, or like a necklace if I'm tired and just want to take it off. What else? Mini hairspray, which I don't have at the moment. I've said this in old videos, but one time I was at a concert and I was wearing white jeans, and for whatever reason I got like a huge brown stain on the back of my thigh, and I didn't even notice it. And some lady in the bathroom, shout out to her because I remember her years later, this happened when I was like a freshman in high school, she was like, do you have aerosol hairspray? And I was like, yeah, why? And she was like, oh my god, give it to me. So she sprays the aerosol hairspray on my white jeans and scrubs it with the paper towel. Boom, the stain was gone. So that's a genius tip. Also, water bottles, whatever the case may be, also in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in my purse. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.